Before you ride, perform the pre-ride inspection as described in the owner's manual. Read, understand, and follow all the instructions, warnings, and safety precautions in the owner's manual and on all product labels. Failure to do so could result in serious injury or death. Visually inspect the vehicle, looking for debris, loose fasteners, leaks, and worn components that may impair the vehicle's operation. Pay particular attention to the radiator area for the accumulation of debris, which can cause the engine to overheat, and clean any debris that is found. Next, check the condition of the tires, looking for any sign of punctures or damage, and inspect the tread depth. Also check the tire pressures and verify that they are set to specification. Then, ensure the rim is not cracked or bent and verify proper lug torque. Inspect the front and rear suspension for leaks, debris, and damage. Then move to the brake pads and rotors, looking for corrosion, nicks, and burrs. Next, ensure the vehicle is on a flat level surface to inspect the fluid levels. Continue by turning the 2/4 turn latches on the hood and sliding it forward to remove. Inspect the coolant level in the overflow bottle and add coolant as needed. Inspect the windshield washer fluid level if equipped. Then realign the hood retention tabs and secure the 2/4 turn latches. Next, inspect the brake fluid reservoir in the driver's side front wheel well for proper fluid level and add fluid as needed. Then move to the rear to inspect the air filter, ensuring it is properly installed. Ensure the airbox cover is secured and fastened. Then clean the area around the dipstick. Remove the oil dipstick and wipe with a clean shop towel. Reinstall the oil dipstick fully and remove it again to inspect the oil level. Ensure the oil level is between the min and max marks on the dipstick and reinstall the oil dipstick. Do not overfill. Next, verify proper operation of doors if equipped. Then, check the condition and function of the seat belts. Inspect the full length of the seat belts for cuts, wear, fraying, dirt, debris, or stiffness. Also, test the buckle and latch for proper operation. Always wear a seatbelt when riding. The vehicle will limit speed if the driver's seatbelt buckle is not latched. Next, turn the key on and inspect the fuel level, ensuring there is enough for your trip. Then, verify proper operation of the headlights, taillights, and brake lights. Next, verify proper operation of the horn, if equipped. Continue by checking the steering system for smooth operation from full left to full right. Verify proper brake and accelerator pedal movement, taking note of any binding or sticking. After this, inspect proper operation of the parking brake. Start the engine and verify there are no warning lights illuminated. Lastly, always practice safe riding by wearing the required safety gear listed in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.